Hey James, how's it going? This is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I know we've been kind of back and forth as far as trying to connect and trying to get this meeting going, but I figured I'd send over this video, just give you an idea as far as what we can do to help you get you more clients. I know that your service in Port St. Lucie, but I want to show you some things as far as what we can do to continue building your brand on the digital sphere and getting you more clients. So looking at your website, I've seen multiple websites like this where they do have some content. I mean, it's a good looking website overall. And now some of the things that I look for right away. So I know you service, in this case, Port St. Lucie, which is great. I'm looking at your services. What I'm looking for is, are you currently being optimized with Google? Okay, but I'm looking for keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Okay, so for in this case, I'm looking for AC repair in Port St. Lucie. Okay, the reason why, which I'm going to go over here on this tab here, this is a tool called Ahrefs, and this helps me understand how well your website's performing. Okay, so right now, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this keyword. Currently, right now, you're being indexed, which is a good thing. Okay, now the reason why this is a good thing, because one, obviously, your website right now is being indexed for Port St. Lucie. Two, this is a buyer intent keyword. So what that means is that when folks are searching for AC repair and they type it into Google, they know exactly what they're looking for. So the reality of them being able to contact you and being a customer that truly wants support is going to be a lot higher, okay? Versus something like, let's just give you an example here, Above Air Inc., right? Now, going back to here, AC repair in Port St. Lucie, look at the volume. So what this means is that 350 people, estimated amount, are searching for this keyword every single month. Now, your position currently right now is 89. So that means that you're not going to show up on the first pages of Google. So you're missing out on these clients. Now, let's just take this specific keyword and type it into Google and see what pops up. Okay. And I'm going to take you section by section. Okay. So one, this is the Google guarantee or the Google ad section. So essentially these clients here, these potential businesses are searching for clients for this specific keyword, which is a good strategy. Now, every time I were to click on here or call them, they would get charged what is called a cost per click or CPC, which is totally fine because once again, this is a buyer intent keyword and they're going to get a phone call from either a business, right, commercial job or a residential job. Nonetheless, they're getting a call for someone that's serious about this. Second section, which is this section, this is the same thing. This is the Google ad section. Okay. Now, this is just a landing page, if you will. Third section I want to show you, which is my favorite. This is the Google My Business Profile or the Google Map Pack. The reason why it's my favorite, James, is because 30 to 40% of calls come from this specific section. Okay. Now let's just see if you're showing up. Okay. So these are Google ads as well. Okay. These two are Google ads. Now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for your business, Above All Air Heating and Cooling. Okay. So as I scroll down, what I'm looking is Above All Air and Cooling, and you're right here. So you're not too far behind. Okay. So you're trending upwards. Now, some of the things that I would continue to recommend you doing, which I would also be able to help support you, is continue to rank you higher. There's several things that you can be doing to continue to gain that traction, right? Continue getting reviews, continue getting photos, but optimizing these photos, okay? And right now you don't have many, so I would do that. Getting citations, okay, which is what we do, doing press releases, things like that, because that is what's going to get you more traction with Google and they're going to increase your rankings. Now, another thing that affects these rankings is your organic listings, okay, which are these guys here. These are web pages, right? These are the organic listings that Google typically tends to rank certain businesses, okay? So this is where this number kicks in, position 89. So this is where your web page would show up on this listings. However, you're not going to show up on the first page right now, right? We got Yelp, we got Lindstorm, we got Speedy AC, AC Heat and Air, and so forth, right? And I'm looking for yours, and currently right now you're not on the first page of Google, which is totally fine, James, which is why I'm sending out this email, or sorry, this video, so you and I can have further conversation, and as far as how I can continue helping you with your digital marketing presence. Now, like I said, you're on track, my man. We just got to continue boosting your traction, so you're not in a bad spot. Anyway, James, hopefully this email and video finds you well. Let's connect. Thank you for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.